Hi, let's see one of the gate question which was asked in the year 2007. Here they have given a function called f function which is taking a parameter with a value of n. Okay, and every C program is going to start its execution from the main method, and this printf function is trying to print an integer value. That's why they made as %d access modifier, and they are trying to call a function called like f of y, meaning that they are simply calling the respective function f. So simply they are passing the value of n as 5 here, and they declared one static variable r value with a 0. Guys, you have to understood here the difference between static variable and local variable. Local variable is once the function completes its execution, it is going to destroy by itself. Whereas coming to static variable, even though the function completes execution, it won't destroy. That is the difference between the static variable and local variable. So as it is static variable, even though this function exits, it won't erase the value. And is 5 value, so here you have to take n value as 5, right? Is 5 less than or equal to 0? No. So is 5 greater than 3? Yes, obviously condition true. So my r value will be n value. Okay, fine. Then it is going to simply return f of n minus 2 plus 2, meaning that again it is going to call a function f of n minus 2, meaning that when n value is 5, when n value is 5, it is going to call n minus 2, that is 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, right? So when it is going to exit from the corresponding block and trying to call another function, it is trying to destroy the value of r variable, but it won't destroy because it is a static variable f of 3. When it is f of 3, r value won't be initialized as it is static variable. And is 3 less than or equal to 0? No. Is 3 greater than 3? Condition fail. When condition fail, it is going to call f of 3 minus 2, that is 2 plus r value. R value is 5. 5. Again, f of 2 is going to be called. F of 2, try to reinitialize the r value. No, it is not possible. 2 less than or equal to 0. No. 2 greater than 3, condition fail. Again, f of 2 will call f of 2 minus 1, that is f of 1 plus r value. R value is 5. Now, f of 1 will call, and 1 greater than 3, condition fail, and so it is going to call f of 0 plus r value, that is 5, right? As this is completely done with its process, so meaning that when you call f of 0, it is going to get the value as 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. That 6 is going to replace here. 6 plus 5 is 11. That 11 is going to get here. 11 plus 5 is 16. 16 is going to get here. 16 plus 2 is 8, 18. That 18 will be returned to the printf function. So the answer will be option D. Okay, I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.